There's a reason you're only seeing part of this. I don't want to show it all to you yet. You've got to watch this video to see what happens. Obviously, I filmed this part after I made the spread. So this is going to be kind of a different video because I decided to do a voiceover. I started this spread and I was working on it. I was filming it for a TikTok, and then I thought maybe I should make it a YouTube video. So that's what I did, and that's why it's going to be a voiceover instead of me talking through the whole thing. So I think some people like a shorter video every now and then anyway. This spread is for Gianna on my Patreon. Gianna is on Team Bumble and they get custom spreads every month, and Gianna asked for a Disney's Haunted Mansion theme this month, and I thought that was so fun. I'm a huge fan of that ride. It's actually one of my favorites in Disney, so I was really excited to make this for her, and I love how it turned out. So hang out with me and see how this transforms. The first thing I did was print out some images onto sticker paper. I literally just went on Google and typed in Haunted Mansion, and I printed them out and then started cutting them out. Some of them I had to cut on my paper trimmer because I wanted a straight line. I love those stretched portraits. They're so cute. So now I'm just trying to figure out where everything's going to go, and I'm trying to cut those little squares, or actually rectangles, down a little bit more to fit the boxes. Next, I thought that foolish mortal sign was too big. It wasn't going to give Gianna enough room to write. So I sized it down and I moved where it was going to go because I didn't want it to cut through the middle. And then I'm just putting some more of those pictures on here. I grabbed Mojo Jojo Plan's Black Boxes book because I thought black boxes made sense for this spread. So I'm just going to layer the black box on top of that purple one, but the purple was showing through a lot, so I decided to cut through that part in the back so that it wouldn't show through. But then when I put it down, it still showed through a little bit, so don't worry, I'm going to cover that up later. I'm doing the same thing on the other side, except this box is going to be bigger, but I'm going to layer 2 boxes on top of it, so that's okay. The Haunted Mansion sign's pretty big, but I decided to put it on Thursday and Friday. I thought that kind of made sense. So I wanted to bring some Disney stickers in here too. So I found the Mickey Mouse stickers that looked like he was scared, which was funny. But I wanted to definitely bring in like the Disney vibe. I decided that foolish mortal sticker was a little bit crooked, so I put some undo on it to take it off the page. Now I'm going into the Rongrong Halloween sticker book, and I'm checking out the Happy Planner one too, but I think the Happy Planner one is just too much of a whimsical vibe. So I decided to not use any of those and stick in the Rongrong sticker book, which was creepier. Putting that sticker back down here. I'm picking some really kind of spooky stickers from here. I found a dead tree to put by the hitchhiking ghosts because I thought I'd make like a little area, you know, like it is in Haunted Mansion. Like an outside area over there. Put some spider webs and a spider in there, and then some bats around. Next, I'm putting some lines in because I want to make sure Gianna has some lines in her spread to make it functional. Bats at the top, just a couple. So I'm putting a grave down there by the hitchhiking ghosts because like I said, I wanted to make a little scene. I think that's cute. Next, a little candelabra kind of made sense because it felt like, you know, that dining room area in the Haunted Mansion. So I put this down there. And then a skull, because, you know, it's a haunted mansion. I brought in this black and white floral washi tape because I thought that looked kind of cool with it and just a little bit creepy. But I just put a couple of little pops down there. It's not a lot, but it's just enough to make a statement. And then I found this other creepy tree, and I thought I'd put it by that box for another little fun area there. Some more boxes because let's be functional if we can. Had a little trouble getting those straight. I made a little strip sticker out of that same blue color that's over on the other side because I thought I wanted to bring some of that color to the left side. Now I'm looking for more Disney stickers because I felt like it needed a little bit more, and also there was a weird cut on that left side, so I covered it up with a Mickey head. Hey, you know what? If you mess up, just cover up your sticker. I wanted to put a long box sticker in the sidebar, but I cut it down a little bit because it was a little thick compared to the other boxes. Looking for more Disney stickers here. And I found a really fun one that went over that box, but I thought it needed to be creepier than that. I didn't want it to be too fun, so let's put some crows on there to creep it up. And then a little crown on that box. I thought that was sort of fun. It's looking really, really cute. A couple more boxes. And a Bumble. And a Bumble. Got to put a Bumble down on the page. And I picked the Bumble that had the most black in it because I was going to camouflage her and put her on that little welcome foolish mortals sign. But I wanted to cut around it to take off the white so it was really camouflaged. Looking for maybe one more little Mickey. He's peeking out of that box, and now I'm going to name it Ghoulish Delight. I love it. Thanks for watching.